Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You already have the Krutidev text and the font file. Start now. First, make sure Krutidev is installed in Windows Fonts because Excel reads system fonts only. Once done, close Excel and reopen to refresh font list. Next, select the cells that use Krutidev. If the font is not installed, right-click the TTF and choose Install, then reopen Excel. This prepares Excel to map characters correctly when you switch to Mangal font later. Now convert characters to Unicode before applying Mangal, because Krutidev uses legacy encoding. Use a trusted Krutidev to Unicode transliteration tool, or run a prepared VBA macro that replaces legacy codes with Unicode equivalents. Copy the converted Unicode text back into Excel, or run the macro directly on selected cells. This preserves glyph order and vowel signs. Make sure to check complex conjuncts and vowel marks, since ordering differs. Correcting these maintains readability when you apply the Mangal font. Finally, select the Unicode converted cells and change the font to Mangal. This displays Devanagari correctly. Once switched, make sure to adjust size, line spacing, and wrap text so conjuncts and marks render cleanly. If you see garbled text or missing glyphs, rerun the transliteration step and confirm you used a Unicode-compatible tool. Make sure Mangal is updated and installed. As a tip, if diacritics misplace, try copying text into Notepad, then back to Excel to strip hidden formatting before reapplying Mangal.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.